Welcome everyone to Bonifabcustom. My name's Rob, and today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to put together our professional forge ribbon burner kit. Now, this kit comes with just about everything to get you started in forging or bladesmithing. Now, it has the capacity of high temperature, which means it's going to be easier for you to make Damascus billets. Now, at the end of the video, I'll tell you just what it costs, and all you got to do is reach out at bonifabcustom@gmail.com and tell us your shipping or your address or where you're located, and we can give you that shipping quote also. Let's get right into the forge kit.
So here are some of the materials. We have our refractory compressed 1/4 inch. And there's various sizes, one for the top, one for the bottom, and the two sides. And we have some smaller pieces also. We have the bolts for the legs, nut and bolt that you can weld on to the bottom. There's 4 of those. We have the top, which has the hole for the ribbon burner, 1/4 inch plate, 1/8 plate, and the bottom, same thing, 1/8 plate, and the two sides, 1/8 plate, and then we have a front frame and a back frame made out of 1/4 bar, and that's already welded together. Then we have our ribbon burner. It's complete. We have the top refractory, which is already molded. And we have our 9 brick. These are high temp bricks. And we have our smaller refractory that goes on some of the brick and the front. Now to set up for welding, we have the bottom plate, 2 side plates, and I use some magnets. I'm going to tack on all these corners, but I want to make sure that everything is square. So I have the front frame on, the back frame on. It has these little magnets that hold everything. And I'm going to tack these corners first, then the bottom corners, and then I'll tack inside. And here it is, tack welding from the inside. Make sure the tacks are properly done so it doesn't bend and break. Now after tacking, I'm going to fully weld the bottom first. Now this can be done with TIG, MIG, or stick. I'm going to tack on those nuts so the legs are on there, and I'll remove them. Then I'm going to start fully welding the sides. Now keep in mind it doesn't have to be fully welded, it can also be stitch welded. Now I'm going to start by putting a bottom piece of refractory. It should be cut to fit. And then I'm going to put my 2 side pieces of refractory and put my 3 bricks on either side. Fit in nice and snug. Then I'm going to put in my 3 bottom bricks that are going to hold those 3 side bricks against the wall. I'll have my small pieces of refractory on the top, and this will help support the top molded or cast refractory. And this goes in, and then a piece of refractory goes on top, and you can cut and trim it and cut out where the ribbon burner will go. Then I'll place my top plate on and get it ready to weld. Now for the top plate, I recommend just tack welding it on there. Just in case something breaks, at least you can just cut those welds quickly and then remove the top plate. Replace any brick or refractory. And there you have it, complete. So next thing I'm going to do is get some high temperature paint and paint the outside of the forge.
So, a very simple kit to put together. The kit cost is $600 US. Now that doesn't include a blower. And if you watch the next video, I'll show how to break it in and what you could use as a blower. And it doesn't include a regulator for your propane. But everything else, like the ribbon burner itself, and make note that it is removable, so if you wanted to go to a bigger forge after, you can literally take that ribbon burner out and use it on something else. The kit, you can see, it's basically rebuildable, changing bricks or refractory as it wears down over years. Now, if you want one of these kits, reach out to me at bonifabcustom@gmail.com and I'll be happy to give you that shipping quote for one of these ribbon burner forges. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and push that button for notifications for more videos just like this one. Thanks.